guys, it is Christmas Eve, yay, so exciting. And I'm going to make breakfast, and I bought these a long time ago because I wanted to try them. They're the Pillsbury sweet biscuits with icing. They're basically like blueberry biscuits, but I've heard they taste like Bojangles Bowberry biscuits. So we're gonna try them. And I've also seen like on TikTok and Pinterest and things that people put the Pillsbury biscuits or cinnamon rolls into the waffle maker. I don't know, but these are biscuits though, so maybe I shouldn't do that. I think I'm gonna try at least 2 in the waffle maker. So we're gonna do some in the oven, some in the waffle maker. I'm not sure if it's the same for biscuits, but we'll see. But I think it's gonna be good either way. I feel that this is still pretty doughy, but I mean, it looks good. All right, we're trying round 2 with a flatter biscuit. So then we heated up some of the icing, and it's supposed to be used as like syrup.
Tastes like a toaster strudel a little bit.
It's really good. Here's how the ones in the oven came out. We're not gonna have any icing for the rest. That one's mine. Okay, so we decided that we are going to open up 1 gift each. We were gonna do it on Christmas Eve night, but I don't know, we just wanted to do it now. So anyways, we're gonna do that, exchange 1 gift. Maybe should we give the dogs 1 gift too? All right, and we have a gift for the dogs as the whale. Who wants to go first? You wanna go first? You want me to go first?
You can go first.
All right. Look at y'all, how cute. Becky helping me open. I do feel some type of way ripping through this pretty leopard wrapping paper. What is this? Yeah, this would be nice to travel with. You sleep on your side, you put your legs around it, and it's good for your lower back. All right, we had to move to the phone for Patrick's gift because my battery died, and I don't feel like interrupting this to go downstairs and get a new one. You already knew, but, well, you didn't really know, but...
Oh, shit! You got me 2?
Those are nice. All right, should we let the doggies open theirs?
Sure.
All right, boys, this is for you. The rest is up to you guys.
Wait.
Look, Archie. Bucky's getting it better than you. You look, there you go. Bring it to Daddy. All right, so it is about 4 o'clock and we need to get cooking, and I also want to show you guys some costumes that I got our dogs that Patrick hasn't seen yet. But anyways, yeah, so for tonight we're just making the sausage balls for my family's Christmas Eve dinner. So yeah, I think we're gonna do 2 batches. We do 1 just like regular and then 1 kind of spicy. So let's get started. We do them in the mixer. now we are going to do something fun. I'm gonna make my dogs get dressed up into 3 different outfits. They're not really full outfits. 2 of them are bandanas, 2 of them are headbands, but either way, they're probably not gonna like it, but it's gonna be cute. And they're gonna have to choose 1 outfit to wear tonight and 1 outfit to wear tomorrow. So they have to choose. Archie just ran away. Archie, come here. Well, first, here are the 2 bandanas. They just look like this. The red one, the green one.
Whose is this?
Who do you think?
You got this for Buck.
Yeah. Bucky is patiently waiting for his costume.
Is this supposed to be Archie's?
Yeah. Beautiful. Bucky green, Archie red.
Bucky.
All right. Good boy. Good boy. These are probably gonna be your favorite outfits. Show everyone your bandanas. Hi, buddy. Cuties. Oh, we're just gonna add to the outfit. Archie, you look like Max from The Grinch. I like how those have the thing where you can tighten it so they can't get it off. Boys, oh my goodness. Why are they just staying still?
They're like making fun of each other.
He's like so concerned.
What is that noise?
Poor buddy.
Alright, he got it off. So that's not a go.
Buck loves it. He's like
cool.
just chilling. I'll give you a treat if you stay. Sit down. Oh, good boys. Archie, you are being such a good sport. So are you, Bucky. I see that slipping behind your ears. We got 1 ear loose. Alright, so this is what Archie's costume is supposed to look like, but it looks a little small for him. It's cute though, it's funny. Archie. Buck will probably like that actually. He doesn't mind sweaters. Oh, that is perfect for you. Bucky, look at you. He looks so cute. He's definitely wearing that tomorrow.
You know you still got Santa on your back and you gotta deliver toys tonight.
Archie. Yummy.
Thickness.
You're so sweet. You guys are good sports. I think these are actually your favorite ones because they don't bother you really. Go try to bark at someone in that.
Look, Archie, I'm wearing them now. Can you stop?
It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
He hates this noise.
He does not like that noise. He's always been really affected by noises, though. He has sensitive ears.
You look like
get
you're ready
right.
for an ugly sweater party.
It's
Right.
okay, buddy.
Ugly sweater party.
So as I told you guys, we were in charge of the sausage balls, and last year we made them literally perfect, like perfect. We did the same thing as we did this year, 1 batch regular and then 1 batch with hot sauce in it and the hot sausage. This year I did it a little bit differently. I just found a recipe, but I needed to ask my mom. I really should have asked her what she did, but I added like a 1/2 cup more Bisquick because it said 3 cups and I didn't want to do 3 cups, so I did 2.5, and then we added the normal amount of hot sauce that we do, and then this recipe said to add milk, so I added milk and it was too much liquid. And yeah, they're pretty much sausage patties now instead of sausage balls. They still taste really good, but it's just like, wow.
I'm gonna eat that one.
Yeah, that one. I mean, they're good. It's just they look horrible. I remember adding.
They're good. But
Yeah, I think they taste the same as
and
normal.
they're really not spicy.
I'm LOLing at these. Like, oh my god, they look so miserable. Like, they look just ridiculous. All right, you guys, we just got home and it's snowing on Christmas Eve.
I've been waiting to hit Buck with this. Oh, it's so close. How cool would a fire be right now?
Archie! What are you doing? It's snow. It's snow, buddy. Archie, you're so cute. Hype, hype, hype. Oh my god, eat all the snow, eat all the snow, eat all the snow. It's like 1,000,000 ice cubes.
It's like this is the greatest season ever.
Buck's like, okay, let's go in, let's go in. Poor Bucky. They want treats. No way. Buck got into an entire bag of peanut butter nubs at my mom's house. So as you guys just saw, we just got home from our family festivities on Christmas Eve. So we went to my parents' house. For Christmas Eve there, we just do like appetizer foods, which is like kind of my favorite, like cheese dip and sausage balls. My aunt makes like crab wontons, ham and cheese biscuits. My mom made an eclair cake that was so good. So anyways, we went there, exchanged gifts with the people that we won't see tomorrow, and then we went to Patrick's family's house. At his house, we just do like, we each open one gift, and then we usually like watch something or just chat. Yeah, and then we came home and it is like sleeting outside, and then now it just turned to snow.
Could be a very interesting Christmas.
It could. Our first white Christmas together.
This is cool.
I don't know if I've ever seen a white Christmas that I can remember, you know?
Yeah, I was very young.
Because I would have been too young. Anyways, we're tired. Probably gonna go to bed. I'm gonna edit a little bit, I think, just so I don't have to fool with it tomorrow. And we have another long day tomorrow, but it's gonna be really fun.
It's Christmas.
So, yeah, bye.